Hey, what's happening, guys? We're going to open up some packages today that some of you guys have sent me. Take a look what's inside and evaluate a couple of speakers for the anti-dog bark project. All right, let me get set up and we'll get started. All right, package number one is from good buddy BBlod down there in Florida. And this is some sort of speaker that he extracted that we're going to try and use with our anti-dog bark project. Man, Barry, that's some serious tape you got on there. What's up with that? There we go. Maybe? Kind of. Looked like I used the dull beaver to open it. Remember, cut towards your chum, not towards your thumb. Learned that in the Boy Scouts, I did. Yes, I was a Boy Scout. I have apparently opened this box in some manner in which it was not intended to be opened, but hey, we got it out anyway. So, some Spreckers. Oh, that's an interesting looking speaker there. Yes, indeed. Very interesting. Very interesting. Alright, so we've got three different types of speakers here. And just to sweeten the pot, I ordered high-frequency ultrasonic pest repelling speakers off of Amazon. And that are these. And these things are very lightly made, hollow plastic, incredibly light, which is probably why they are able, to reproduce the high frequency. So, if you're wearing headphones, I'm going to start making some really nasty sounds. So, you have been warned. All right, well, let's start with this one. I don't know why I just grabbed it. We'll hookity up here. And don't fall off, don't fall off. Hang on. Okay, because I want to show the nice folks at home what we're doing. So we're going to input a sine wave at 10 kilohertz, 1 volt, peak to peak. And we'll see what we get. So once again, here comes the sound. I don't hear anything. All right, let me turn this down here a little bit. Here's 1 kilohertz. Okay, I hear the 1 kilohertz. 5. I hear nothing at 5. Now I know I can hear 5 kilohertz. Let me stick this one on because I know that they work. So here's 5 kilohertz. Yeah, as I suspected. So Barry, wherever this one came from, it's good for low frequencies, but not so much high frequencies. All right, next one we're going to do this little guy here. This one says Foster. 8 ohm, half a watt. Down at the bottom it says 0H54, it looks like to me. All right, let's see what we get with this guy. I like the little springy things down there. It's kind of cool. All right, 5 kilohertz. Here it comes. Nothing. Go down to 1. Okay, same thing. Good in the lower frequencies, not in the higher frequencies. And this one. Come on. All right. Here's 1 kilohertz. Nothing. There we go. Just a bad wire. Probably. All right, so there's 1. Try it at 5. Works at 5. Take it up to 10. I think I hear it. This is right where my hearing stops. Yeah, I think I'm hearing something there. So I believe this one is working as well. Yeah. All right, so thank you, Barry. We got 1 that's possibly good for high pitch, and we're going to check that one out, and we will save the other 2 for other projects. Heck, always time to use stuff like that, right? Okay, next up I got some things from our good buddy Rob Webb. And that's Uncle Rob, for you guys that don't know, who makes the Uncle Rob's Magic Solder Flux. So I had opened this one up before I decided to make this video, obviously. This is one of Forrest Mim's books. This is the Engineer's Mini Notebook, Timer, Op-Amp, Optoelectric Circuits and Projects. You don't find better introductions to electronics in the Forrest Mim series of books. I mean, it'll just, yeah, fantastic stuff. Thank you, Rob. Now we'll see what's in this here package. Oh, very interesting. All right, there appears to be a note. I'm going to read the note and I'll be back. Okay, so here it is. Rob sent me 2 100-watt 5-amp USB Type-C QC decoy trigger boards. And then down here he says this is the first time he'd heard of one. What is it? He said he understands what it is now, but could I explain it? Well, sure. I can do my best to explain it. This is probably going to get a video on its own, so this is going to be a really quick video here today, or a quick explanation of trigger boards here. The key to this is where it says PD here, and you'll see the USB-C. Now, I'm no expert on USB, especially USB-C, but what this does is it allows you to trick a USB power bank, like well, any kind of USB power bank, doesn't matter what kind it is, whether it uses 18650s or flat packs, whatever. It'll trick it into outputting voltages that it wasn't exactly designed for. And you can see here it will output 5, 9, 12, 15, and 20 volts. You can just, that way you can use your USB-C to power like a laptop, or I don't know what you'd want to use for it. Like I said, I'm no expert in this, but yeah, like say a laptop, for instance, which probably needs somewhere around 20 volts to charge, 18, 20 volts, somewhere in that range. Well, you can use this and your 5-volt charger and tell it to output a higher voltage. Yeah, I believe. More research, and we'll give it its own video. Thanks, Rob. And the big one. I have no clue what is in any of these. Rob and I talk well, not often. We talk on the phone occasionally. We email often, I would say. He never told me what this was. If he did, Rob, if you did tell me, I've forgotten, and I apologize. Let's find out. Oh, there's just all kinds of goodies in here. All right, I'm going to move the box over here out of the way so that we can get in. A nice card from Uncle Rob with a picture of a nice happy doggo friend on there. It says, always take time to stop and smell the flowers. Happy drawing. Drawing. Uh-oh. I don't draw. Even playing poker, I don't draw good cards. Stupid joke. Alright, what is this? Have to get the knife back out. Okay, this is something Uncle Rob printed. He is the... Oh. Oh, Rob, that is cool. Dude. Dude, that is super cool. Thank you, man. Alright. I'm laughing because the bubble wrap stuck to my hand over here while I'm picking up my knife. Oh, these are more of the probe holders. Yeah, I like those. I love this filament, Rob. It's like iridescent blue. Very cool. Oh, some pens. Gel pens, red and black. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. That must be the drawing. Oh, and blue and green. Okay, now I get the drawing comment. Thank you, Rob. What is this? This is what frightens me. This is paper. Wow. For drawing all my schematics. I got it. Wow, Rob, thank you. That is so very, very cool. All right, guys, I want to thank Barry and Uncle Rob for sending in these goodies. We will be back next video working on the no bark, anti-bark device. I may change the circuitry. I may take out the 555 as the oscillator and use something else. I'm not sure yet. But we'll get back to it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I really hope you give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons who keep this channel alive. Also, look down below in the description if you'd like to help out the channel at absolutely no cost to you. It's an Amazon link. If you click that link, whatever you buy after you click the link will become like an affiliate purchase through my affiliate account, and I'll make a couple cents off whatever you buy. It doesn't cost you anymore, and you're supporting the channel. So if you'd like to do that to help support, that's cool. Also, there's a thanks button down there. Whatever you want. And you don't have to do anything. Just watching is enough. If you want to do more, do more. If not, thanks for being part of the community. That's it. I'm out. Peace.